side to be Mikey Kana women's double carom kilo level. First match, Ningmai and Pongam Tenyak team versus Yanglang and Pongyun Tenyak team. Second match, Lily and Yelong Yangmon team versus Nomi and Anungla Yangmon team. Team Yangmon laga idea corner kick ase, number 13 bra corner kick marbole ase. Pangla and Anungla. Announcement ase Keram email de Yangmong versus Yangmong team ate first group la Yangmong team la de Lily aro Yelong ase aro versus Naomi Thagisha age de itu noi kina Bangla ase koina janai dia ase Bangla and Anungla. Thank you. Yeah, ball de jabo live number 10 Tenyak laga ball position de ase ball do air ball de jaile to si dikdar ase 50-50 hoi jai ball to kun logo de aibo na jana hoi jai team Yangmong la de ase ball position to number 14 do Tenyak team laga bishi balbra ball recovery kore ase free kick in favor of Tenyak. Ningmai Bongao Yosun Highway. First match will be played between Ningmai and Bongao versus Yanglang and Poncham. Tenyak versus Tenyak. Second match will be played between Lily and Yelong Yangmong team versus Bangla and Anungla Yangmong team. Kah, film ke siapa na?
mai. Tông cao. Julia về, Roshan về. Chỉ đồ lên muốn dây na ruki này ra rồi này dây như Roshan về, chỉ đồ lên. Tông cao.
Ay, alo fast food na kaman. Ayan.
Commentary video isile alap suka kiri isile hoise ekta dita কথা কৈ দিব আৰু number 17 bra batting DJ chance Doctor के बॉल पाइसे के तो शो गोल लगी जी उनको
3 लाख আছে বল তো তাই চাই আছে কোটি পাস হবো
क्या तो फुटबॉल नहीं ना वॉलीबॉल नहीं ना एयर रे खेले से दुकान दुख पाएगा ने प्लेयर्स का दुख पाइए जल्दी जोड़ने ना बने A very hot match is being played between jersey number 15 of Yamung team versus jersey number 10. Oh, half time.